It's 2020 now. That means that we have 10 years left to lift the 17 UN sustainability goals, at least if we want to reach the deadline set out in 2015 when the agenda was agreed. I know that this has been a huge topic for the last years, but I'm sure that the debate and the focus will heat up in the year to come. I actually think it's going to be hard to find companies that haven't taken a stand on this going forward, simply because you have to do that in order to survive. And the digital and technological areas are especially interesting here because on one side they are a fundamental part of the problem, but at the other side and at the same time they might be the fundamental lever and stepping stone in order for us to reach the goals. I actually think that most of the technologies we're going to talk about in 2020 have the possibility of creating major sustainable impact. AI, as an example, will help us point at solutions within health and also climate issues. It's also a technology with the potential to remove language barriers. CRISPR, hopefully, will eradicate a lot of global serious diseases. IoT will help us create more sustainable cities, and additive manufacturing will introduce new and sustainable production methodologies. But there are always two sides to the story when we talk about digital progress. Smartphones, as an example, they're fantastic. But what happens to the 1.5 billion phones that get scrapped every year? Like these. And for how long can we keep extracting the rare minerals needed for its electronic components? E-commerce is another example. It's super convenient, we love it. Just look at the revenue for Singles Day in November. It exceeded $30 billion. But also think about the enormous amount of packaging created when 2,600 packages are shipped every second. And the amount of empty space being shipped around in the parcels we receive. You know it, it's stuff like this. Forbes have actually predicted that 61 million containers of empty space travel the world every year due to e-commerce. We simply have to solve these problems while we keep developing new and sustainable digital solutions and technologies in order to conquer the world's biggest challenges. I predict that this will be one of the main topics for the year to come.